Welcome YouTubers to another Electronics and More video. In today's video I would like to show you a really neat gadget. The product you see here was sent to me for free by the company shown highlighted right here. I'm also going to be placing a link to their website in the video description area if you are interested in making a purchase. If you've watched other product review videos on my channel, you would know that I do not like to make product reviews for products which are poorly made or do not work as advertised. Because companies send me fairly pricey items, I would not feel right having them send me a product and then just tearing it to pieces on YouTube. What I normally would do is if I do not like the product after I receive it, I would send the product back to the company, informing them that I will not be making a video for their product because the quality is not good enough or it does not work as advertised. The product you see here definitely fits the standards which I have in place for my channel. What this is a MOXO X-2 Levitating Bluetooth speaker. It's really cool. Let me unbox it. It is packaged extremely well. Owner's manual. Over here is your 12 volt DC, 2 amp switching power supply. This is for the base of the unit. This is a USB charging cable. Over here is the actual orb that levitates. So I push this to the side. You can see it's packaged very well. You could drop this off a building and I don't think it would be damaged. There's the bottom, and there's another layer of foam. Very heavy for its size. Now that everything is unboxed, let's take a look at the orb first. This is the part that levitates over this base. Inside the bottom right here is a permanent magnet. To turn it on, you push and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Once it's powered up, this button here, if you push it once quickly, it will change the patterns of the orb. Now you can see the orb is changing colors. Push it again briefly. You can have a solid color there. Again, that's my favorite one, the blue. You can push it again, green, light blue, and the red. It changes through all the colors. Push it again, and now it's off. Now it's just letting you know the power's on with the blue flashing. If you push and hold the Bluetooth button, which is on the left, that will disconnect the pairing with one device and allow you to reconnect with another. Over here is a USB charging port. This cable right here, you can plug into there, and on the base, you could plug that in. If the battery here becomes very weak from lack of use, then you can charge it using the cable like this, or the unit will charge when it's levitating over the base. So it charges wirelessly from the base to the orb, or you can charge using this USB cable. Let me take this and power it up. Now there are other type of levitation devices being sold like this online. A lot of them have that cheaper look to them and they're a little bigger. This has more of an appealing look. It's very nicely made. It's small. It would fit perfect on a desk. Let me plug this in and show you. Alright. Once the unit's powered up, you're going to see 4 red LEDs. You want to take notice of the brightness of each one of these. They all should be about the same brightness when this is properly positioned. You want to use 2 hands. There you go. Alright. You can see they're all on. Right now it is charging wirelessly between the base and the orb. If you wanted, you could also use this 1 amp 5 volt USB port to charge your smartphone. Let me take the orb off. Okay. I'm going to choose color changing mode, position this back where it was. When you go to pair the device on your smartphone, you're going to look for a device that says CFX02, and you're going to pair with that device. Over here, CFX02, I'm going to go connecting. Okay, now I'm connected. So if you have a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone, all your audio can be sent to that orb. And the sound quality that comes out of this orb is excellent. You could not ask for any better. Let me put on a song for you. Copyright free one. Let me find one. And as you heard, the sound quality, you could not ask for better. I took this straw, which is pretty cool. Put that back in position. Hold it right. Now, if you have a problem that it pops off like that and it doesn't go back easily, take it away for a few seconds and then go back in, and it should go on very easy. You push it off. See, if it falls off, it's only going to go to the sides. That's as far as it will go. And it goes right back on. Take a straw. This will spin a very long time because there is no friction. This device uses Bluetooth 4.1. It has a range of around 30 feet. The speaker is an 8-watt speaker. The rechargeable batteries inside the orb charge wirelessly from the base or using this cable, as I said earlier. If you would like to learn more about wireless charging, I have a very good video you may want to check out. You can click on the link right over here. A new window will open. You can pause this video and watch the other video when this video is complete. It is certainly a cool gadget, and it's also hard to appreciate the colors coming off of this orb. The camera does not show it well, but the colors are very, very nice, especially at night. If it's sitting on your desk next to your computer, you have the sound coming out. It is really a cool thing to listen to and look at. Let me give you a shot with the camera looking straight down at it. And this angle as well. Once again, the link to this device will be in the video description area, and I do not profit from the sale of any of these devices. The next thing I would like to do is take that off to the side. I'm going to unscrew this base and we're going to take a look on the inside. To get inside the unit, you're going to have to peel off the rubber feet. The screws are underneath. I don't recommend you doing this because if you do, you will probably void your warranty. I like to take things apart to see what they look like on the inside. To remove the screws, you will require a very small Phillips screwdriver. Once the Phillips screws are removed, it should pull apart. Cool, very cool. That's inside there. Push that down. You can see there is a large ferrite ring magnet, and in the center here, you have this coil of wire, and I'm almost certain that is what's used for the inductive charging to the orb. There are pulses going into this coil. Those pulses are picked up by the orb used to charge the battery in the orb. There is also something else I want to show you, but it's going to require a really good camera angle. Now it's going to be a little difficult to see, but underneath this inductive charging coil, there's another winding, a big one right here, about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Opposite that one is another one of those same coils. There's another one 90 degrees over, and opposite that one. You have a magnetic field within that ring magnet, and when you place the orb there without those 4 little coils, which are electromagnets, what's going to happen, the orb is going to stay in the middle and then be pulled to the magnet here or pulled there. And what those coils do is adjust the flux within that core of the ring to keep it stable right in the center. If we were to disassemble the orb, you would find a similar coil inside the orb, and that would allow wireless charging to take place. Over here you can see there's 2 potentiometers. They used to stick upright. Once the adjustment was made at the factory, they pushed them down. They could have been used to adjust the operating frequency or to help center the orb in the center of that ring magnet. If you enjoyed this video, please rate it a thumbs up, subscribe, and post links to this video on other websites and blogs. Also be sure to check out my video playlist as well. Thank you very much for watching.